producer right there, you know what I mean? Because it's one thing to make beats and, you know what I mean, say you're a producer, but when it comes to creating records, TV's is one of them guys for sure. Really fun to be in the lab, but yeah, shout out TV Robbie, man.
Sometimes you gotta pop out and show 'em. Sometimes you gotta sit back and let them talk. They cut themselves off, now I'm better off. We don't got no splash town no more, but it ain't nothing just to wet them up. Said they wanna see a show, then go ahead and set it up. I've been in the H, I'm pouring deuces in a 7-Up. Said the essay wasn't in, so we went and fed them up. Went and tricked on the same hole, they done set them up. Ayy, it's the game, I can show you how to level up. It ain't getting better, what you think? I've been running around the city like forever, huh? Rolling in the city from military to Calabria, huh? When they see some Mexicans like us, probably never, huh? Big shit poppin', probably know by your Willa, huh? Saw we went and bust down a watch, said it's not fair, they bust down a watch 3 ways, that's a timeshare. They really tryna come up off some shit, they know it's not there. If I'm walking in the building, need a check and some stock there. Stomping in the mud in my all white Nikes, Mr. Make a bitch go rule like I'm Ric Flair. When they ask about that boy, they be like, yeah, moonwalking on the river walk like I might, yeah. For what they was talking about, baby, tell them pipe down. I ain't Mr. Next Up, bitch, I'm Mr. Right Now. Really got it popping on some shit I used to write down. They ain't used to care, but they wonder what it's like now. Huh? What? Ayy. Wanna be us, wanna be us, wanna be us. They wanna be us.